Barry, we're stuck. We're stuck.
Look at this. We are in Brecon Beacons. Actually, it's not called Brecon Beacons anymore. They've changed the name now to a Welsh name, which yeah, they don't like call it Brecon Beacons anymore. You won't hear much of Chantel. She's got a bad throat.
Voice is going.
Voice is going. We've both been under the weather. But as you see in the background, there's a dinosaur, and we're going in the caves of Yr Ogof. And we're also joined by Bushcraft Barry on this trip.
To the stakes.
Yeah. Do that cave over there first, then we've got 2 caves to do. What is there?
What is there?
What is there?
No, your tights. Your tights come down.
Stalagmites and stalactites.
Tights come down.
Tights come down, so they're coming down. The stalagmites go up.
That sounds like a pump.
Yeah, so what's he called? Mammy the... No, Manny. Manny the...
Mama.
Yay! Jurassic. Oh, wow.
All I like is just those.
These ones are alive.
But they're not.
Yeah, they're moving, that means they're alive. What do you think? So apparently the most expensive dinosaur is 200 grand, Barry just told me.
That was on the fact sheet that we were reading.
That was just one dinosaur.
Yeah.
Wow, look at this, there's loads! Loch Ness monsters even.
Yeah.
Look at those water.
This is a welcome walk after this morning. Chantel and Rip didn't get on very well this morning. He's been a nightmare.
The safest place coming around here in years past, we've been up the top of the frigging tree, eh?
Oh dear.
That's a mini T-Rex.
That's his dinner now.
Yeah, it looks like T-Rex from what I saw on telly.
He had a good night last night, he's legless.
Yeah.
Inside the cave, a number of award-winning reconstructions showing...
The second cave is incredible. I don't think you can hear us actually, it's loud.
Feels like
You definitely have to speak up.
feels like you're in a cathedral. Weirdly, isn't it?
Wow. They're playing classical music in the background. Echoes are going right through the cave. So what do you think of the cave, Adelaide? Good?
No.
Why?
The dinosaurs.
Because of dinosaurs? You don't like the dinosaurs, no?
Please keep your social distance whilst walking in this cave.
Socially distance?
Do not.
Still being told to socially distance. Safety helmets must be worn, okay?
Around.
Oh. Look at this. Look at all these dinosaurs here. Look.
Animals.
I was going to say animals. Reasonably priced as well. It's 20 quid an adult. I think it's 16 quid, 15, 16 quid per child. Kids are loving it. Also, dog friendly. We left Rip in the bus because we weren't too sure. I don't think you like these these dinosaurs. Right, you know what we need to get from here? Yeah, you found them. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, classic tactics. Having the gift shop on the way out. Right, so next stop, cafe.
Come in the photo.
Wacky backy naughty? No, it's nice.
Olivia said.
Huh?
Olivia said it's naughty. Yeah, because you said it was naughty.
Yeah. And then I found sod off, just to let you know.
Found some Chantal? Come down to the horse centre now, and it's opened up nicely. No caves down here. Right, let's go. Hey, Liv, take it away. Hey, there you are, see? Ah. Figure out how this works. There must be distance. Ah, yeah. Let's fill that gap up. Look at that! Oh, gorgeous.
That's huge. The size of its head. She's
Feb the horse whisperer.
Right, so you can smell it. So you'll decide whether he's okay, that's it.
He's like, nope.
careful, Liv.
No, he's alright.
Fine as well, and he's done. Yeah, I know.
I'm sure he'd be fine, but just
Well, he's a good boy, isn't
a
he?
bit too close for comfort there.
Hey! Space just ruined the land. Let's go.
Actually, no, you don't push me.
Right,
No,
get
don't
on.
push me.
No?
No, don't. Let go.
Come
I'm
on.
not getting on then.
So that's us done, yeah? Off to our next spot now. Let's get back to the bus. Down, stay down. Calm down.
Oh, right.
Bushcraft Valley, go back.
Dad.
Is it voice activated?
So, as we're in waterfall country. Is it waterfall country? Yeah, the Brecons. Bit rude not to go visit a
Well, I
waterfall.
would
So next
call it
stop.
more like hill country with the odd stream in.
Yeah. So next stop we'll go do the biggest waterfall here. Show you our new upgrade. Full 10-inch Apple. Not Apple, is Android. Full 10-inch Android CarPlay. As it's a bit of a travelling vehicle, we need the Google Maps. 13 minutes away. I'll be truck, you be trailer.
It's my key.
I've actually got a reversing camera now. Are we going to bring food with us or?
Petrol.
But what if we got caught in a snowstorm and we couldn't get home?
Yeah.
Look at that. A trailer with a burger van. It's a good start already.
You better take it.
Wow, look at that! Yeah, okay so far?
You got the O.
It's really windy because the water brings the wind with it. I feel like Batman! Look at this. What's wrong, Rip?
You were shouting rugby because you it's wetter here than it is down with
Oh, it's magical, man.
it. Good. Come on, Neil.
I can't believe how wet I am.
Right, James, let me go in front. He'll knock us over.
We've actually been here before. About 4 years ago. Actually, same time 4 years ago. It was for my birthday.
Yes, it was actually.
Before the bus was complete. If you ever want to come and do a waterfall around here, this is the best one to do. There's the 4 waterfalls walk. Yeah, we did that as well. But this big one is the first waterfall, literally from the car park. And you get to walk behind it. But there is a hill.
Maybe we should put the lead so we can close up.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Right. Let's check his recall, ready? Rip! Heel! No. Heel, Rip! Come on! Heel! Good boy! Good boy! Sit then, sit. Good lad! Go! Go, go, go! So we've got the dogs tired. I think Rip's. You sleeping already? So now we're going to go head up northwest and go to a place called Sugarloaf Hill. Not the mountain, the hill. It's a 45-minute trip, but we have to go through a place called Llandovery, and Barry's noticed there's takeaways there, so he's going to grab a takeaway on the way through.
Is he actually?
And there's a few things we need for tomorrow night.
Right, do you have to sit in the seats then?
Do you want to ring your takeaway through? We're about half an hour away.
It'll only take me 20 minutes to wait for it. Just need madras and a key naan, really.
Looks nice.
Could you take an order for collection, please? Madras, key naan, and chips, please. This is ridiculous temperature for this time of year in the mountain.
This is the best part about van life. Getting to your park up. And what's the time now? 6:30. We've got all night now just to chill.
Sounds bloody
Oh
good.
my god. I've just noticed bushcraft Barry's electrics. So at this park up, we're the only ones here. It's just off the main road, nice and secluded. You can make as much light pollution, noise pollution as you want. No one lives within a fair few miles, so good, perfect park up, and it's free. These two go like that. Yep, this one.
Hour.
Nothing special? Yep. Smells good already. Just everything just chucked in the pan. Like the Chantal for my nice little couple of presents this weekend. Hazy Jane, I haven't tried a Hazy Jane before. Alright, outdoor light. Front.
Anything else?
That's better. Oh my god.
I put it on too quick. It needs a bit of love. Yes.
Ah, lovely. It's all with it. Rip! Are you Rip? Oh, hello. Oh, so good.
You know what you've forgotten, didn't you?
That's it.
TV remote.
Oh. Good night, Barry. Stop chewing your veg, you. Good morning. Say good morning, girls.
Good morning.
So you can't beat a wok ring to get some boiled water quickly in the morning. There's one camper and a dog walker who joined us this morning. So priority now is to get everything ready for tonight. We've never done anything like this before. So hopefully the kids take it alright. Barry's left the logs out last night. So we got wet logs. Good job he brought that coal yesterday.
don't know what that video. That's what it looks like.
What's in that?
Bacon cheese sandwich. Dad, look.
Yeah?
I took the people barbecue back.
Did you?
Anyway, he's had a bath. Remember yesterday?
Feb's in the van ready, engine running. Chantal just got out of bed. Run away, is he? No, it's cheese here. You have to... So the question is, do we do this route? Or do we go down, which is another 5-6 minutes longer?
This route here.
That's safer. Do you do that's the mountain road. That goes across the Cambrai Mountains.
Yeah, okay.
Or do you come on the bottom?
It's up to you.
Just do you want to climb a 25% hill in this bus? Oh, fuck it. Let's do it. Let's do it. One of my favourite roads in Wales. This one, on the Aberystwyth Mountain Road, which is the next road north of this one actually.
I'm scared.
Are you ready, Barry? Go ahead then and just give me a shout when it's all clear at the top.
Bushcraft Barry to the rescue.
I'm slightly worried about not doing the switchback in one full action, one full movement. So we've been down this before, and we did do it in one movement, so there's no harm in it.
Yeah, but
there's no reason why we can't do it going uphill. So I'll just chuck it in manual, first gear.
Oh, you're sight of that hill, babe. You sure?
Okay, come on up. Oh my god, when the camera doesn't. That's second gear. First gear.
I feel physically sick going up here. It's horrible.
Come on, girl. Let's take it wide. Here we go. Everything's gone out the fridge. Done the worst parts. Not that bad, see?
Not that bad. Are you
Panicking.
serious? That was awful.
Barry, we're stuck. We're fucking stuck.
Keep going.
Okay, well. How far up?
First switch back. We need a tractor quickly.
How the fuck would I get a tractor?
I don't know. Just go get one. Next farm, quick.
Okay.
We're rolling back. We're rolling back.
Now, hang on now. That's a big thing, you tart. Where the
Right.
fuck am I going to get a tractor? Nowhere to get a bloody Christmas tree from.
Can you see what I can see?
Switch back. And I'll give you some info.
Oh, that's clear, isn't it?
My God.
Now, if we've got a motorhome, we want to do our road. Just be mindful of it, it is going to be a challenge. So we're going to park up now, get packed for our next location, which is a sort of wild camping Airbnb for free, and literally step out of our comfort zone. As soon as we step out that door, we get rid of running hot water, thermostat controlled, well, technically we've already got a toilet there, gas cooker, gas on tap, and comfy beds. So make sure you like and subscribe for next week, where we'll be going on our biggest adventure yet.